Welcome to the channel Plasticine Magic. Today we are going to sculpt the character Dr. Harley Sawyer, the most mysterious character from the Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. While I'm working on him, I'll tell you who he is and what role he plays in the story. After we find ourselves in the trailer, Dr. Harley Sawyer suddenly appears on the TV screen. He's the one who contacts us, making it clear that he's watching our every move. Dr. Harley Sawyer is the creator of the Big Bodies program, which was supposed to replace factory workers with living experiments. He was behind the creepy research at Playtime Co., and the main issue with Sawyer is that he was inhuman. To him, science meant more than people. In 1990, a mysterious fire broke out the factory in the theater, resulting in the death of company employees. Sawyer was blamed for the tragedy and his body was subjected to experiments, but they didn't just turn him into the toy. Now Sawyer is a part of the factory. His consciousness was uploaded into the computer system of Poppy Playtime, and he watched everyone through the screens and controlled the factory's mechanisms. His human form is unknown, and his organs, brain, lungs, liver, are scattered across different system centers of the factory. By the way, it was Sawyer who recorded that tape where he talked to the prototype in the battle room with catnap. So, if you know any other interesting facts about Dr. Harley Sawyer, feel free to share in the comments. I'll keep working on creating and improving my content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.